We're now on the Jardine Ferry, going across. And good we finally got here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. About it, that is right. Go back up there. Oh, little dude.
Did we catch any bait?
We did.
We catch bait?
Very much so. Get that bucket.
We catch bait. Let's go. We catch bait. Daddy, we catch bait.
I know we did, mate.
Yeah, we catch bait. Don't get him out at me. I'm running away.
Yeah, you gotta help, Daddy.
I don't
These
want
are
to.
brilliant, mate. We'll get one of these on that big rod now. We'll get these out.
Yeah, but Dad, don't start digging at me. I'm scared of those fish.
What are you scared of them for?
I'm scared of
They're
bait.
garfish, mate.
I'm scared of bait since they move. If they're not dead, I'm scared. But if they are dead, I'm not scared.
Haven't yet, mate. I think I just got baited. No? Oh, bloody hell, what is that? I don't know where he's taking me under the ear, I think. Prick of a thing. If he's... Oh. Yeah, I'll just... I don't know where he is. He's gone into there again. No, he's... Oh, I don't know. Don't know. Oh, no, I saw a flash. I don't know. He fucking hit like a freight train.
Really?
Oh, I heard him, like, sort of got his, he started to pull, then he didn't, and then...
Yeah, righto.
Anyway.
Yeah, take everything out just in case.
Yeah.
Good move.
What am I?
Here, you
Dad.
hold that at Daddy, mate. Get him out.
That line's still around this side. No, around this side. Yeah.
I don't know where he is. That's the
He's
hard
got
part.
you on the pylon.
Yeah, I know. He was decent.
He still might be.
Yeah, it might
Is
be.
he? Yeah,
Hold
you're going.
the hat
Oh,
on.
he is.
Put both hands on your head with the hat.
Oh, this my hat. Oh, my hat.
Oh, fuck, he's got him
Yeah.
out. Violent. Fuck yeah.
That's got to be a
I don't
shark.
know.
Oh, I don't know. It was a big bloody
It was like this big, the little fish you put on it was a
bait
bait.
I put on
Was it a
there.
little gar or something, was it?
Yeah.
How good's that? Maybe a go.
What is it? What is my dad catched?
Get out of there.
I don't know what my dad has catched.
Don't know. Something big, isn't it?
What did my dad catch? What did my dad catch?
Maybe don't
I reckon yeah.
let it release. Take the drag off.
Oh, he's got drag. He's got plenty. I just want to try to get him.
Got you near another pylon.
Yeah, I just want to...
I reckon a shark would just
What
take
did
it.
my dad catch?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Did it
bastard.
go into that?
Snapped it. Damn it.
I know.
I
Must
don't
be
know
big.
what that was.
I'm going to go home now after watching that.
That's fishing for you.
Oh,
Yeah.
Dad, what? I think
That was a good one. Whatever it was. That was a good.
yeah, pretty sick. We're standing at, where are we? Loyalty Beach. Loyalty Beach. And that's Cape York up there. And we're watching an island. I'll have to look at which one it is. It's on fire over there. There's some people fishing. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty nice spot. And that's Seisia down there and Seisia Wharf, so about 2.5 k's away. Yeah, it'd be interesting to get the boat in now. It's so, like, it's windy, but look at that water compared to what we had down in Weeper. Like, and you can see schools of bait out there. I can see them jumping around there now. Here we go, Loyalty Beach. Local come to say good day. Hey, Louise.
Yeah, it came right up and headbutted my hand to pat it.
Yeah, good.
It's like, yeah, don't just stand there and talk. I want to be
Daddy, give me the.
I'm gonna make Eric's first. But you know they say if you're making smash burgers, you've got absolutely no talent in making burgers at all. And there actually might be some truth to that. Well, Mummy just got a snag, and I got this northern rock flathead, and they're actually good eating. They've only got to be 30 centimetres. So yeah, I'll check in. Well then, yeah, I'll have a look.
Oh my gosh. Dad's still going.
Anyway, I'll look after Louise. This, if he gets measures 30, which he's bleeding pretty bad, he'll be getting eaten. So yeah, the weather's been shit here. It's raining, it's windy. Well, it's not raining heavily. It's like the start of September, but I'm just using a Pat and Oscar rig set up with a bit of this garfish I caught off the pier last night. So caught 2 grassies. I don't think many people have been doing too well. Got something? Come on, probably small. Let's see what it is. Oh, Trevor probably. Oh, another. Oh, what is that? Another grassy. It might be legal too again, that'd be good. Give us 2. Check him. Looks legal. He is. He's 2 of these for dinner. That is just sweet. There's 2 of these for dinner will be really freaking good. Yeah, he's just over 30. 31. Sick. One and 2 grassy sweet lip for din-dins. Not bad. So this is our 7th day at Loyalty Beach, and the good thing about this place is it has camp firewood. So yeah, have a campfire and make lamb shanks. But then that there is, you know, the ocean. It's a really big caravan park. We're down right down the bottom, so a fair walk to the bar, unfortunately. But yeah, nice view of the ocean, and can do a nice lamb shank. And get these covered up there and get them up onto the trivet. I like to fry them off a little bit before I put them up to roast. That way they get that nice flavour on the outside. I am getting some next level char on these just before I put them back in the pot. Then I'll put some the trivet in there, which I'll do now. Yeah, get some next level char on them. Get them into the trivet. Get some coal in that on top of it. Let it bake slowly for an hour or 2. Oh yeah, I love these things though. These are big, beautiful lamb shanks too. Look at that. Yeah, it doesn't need to look pretty, but it just needs to taste good, and I reckon that will. So yeah, nice and tender. Probed it at about 94 degrees internal after about 3 hours, and probed really nicely. Look at that. Standing at the most northern point of the Australian continent. I got a fishing rod. Hopefully I catch some fish. Yeah, pretty cool spot. Except for the 2 islands out in front. Pretty much, you know, you get to the end of the top of Australia and you've got two islands there. Pretty anti-climatic. We've been on the tip, and this is that Enviro Lodge thing. I don't know if I'm up here welcome, but yeah, there was a lodge they built here, supposed to be for an eco lodge or something. Anyway, yeah, I'd heard about it. Pretty interesting place. Obviously people have had beers here. How safe these joists are. Yeah, look at this. Another one over there. Soft floor. Yeah, okay. Interesting. So here we are at Jackie Creek boat ramp, or Fishbone Creek I think it's called, Fishbone Creek boat ramp. It's actually looking pretty good, tide's reasonably good, so windy as shit still, but hopefully we can get some fish. But yeah, that's a nice boat ramp, plenty of space here. The road in here was pretty good, so yeah, your drag, quick, it's a jack. It's not, it's a bloody big brim fish.
Yay, I got a fish.
Here, you don't,
What?
you don't want that rod bending like that with the fish
Mum's
rod.
fish. Mum's
There you go.
lucky. Mum's lucky because she got
Jeez, that's a,
fish.
It's huge.
that is a horse of the brim. Like seriously, look at the size of these brim.
It's a giant.
Well, that's another 30 something centimetres, 31, 32.
It is.
Anyway, Louise caught that, she's happy.
Mummy, you
So we came all the way to the tip, fished Jackie Creek, and we've caught 2 brim that are over 30 so far,
Thank you.
and nothing else. Yeah, come on, be a jack. Be that jack. He's going hard too. Oh, he might be. Oh, he's a fucking. Oh, wow.
He's huge.
That's a Queensland groper. Wow, that's they're a no-take species. That fucking amazing. Wow.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Look
Holy
how pretty
shit.
that is.
That's a once in a lifetime fish, that thing.
That
Yeah.
is so amazing.
That is, Eric. Daddy's gonna get his lip grippers.
Are we gonna-
Look at that. He'd be close to, probably 40 centimetres, 45. He's a beautiful fish, eh? Like that's,
Yeah,
Yeah.
but you're not allowed to kill. You're not
no,
allowed
you
to
can't
keep
kill
them.
these ones. He's going right back. But yeah, that's come up here, Jackie Creek. We've caught a couple of brim all day, and
Tail's black and-
yeah, that's phenomenal. See you, buddy. You go back and have a beautiful, healthy life.
Whoa, he made a big splash.
Yeah, he went home, mate. He went home. I don't know what these are, but they're not getting on the hook. That's only small. It's just nibbling, but he might. Oh no, what's he doing? Still on there? Oh yeah, there we go. Ah, oh yep. Oh, he's got me in somewhere. Come on. Brim or a cod or something. No, come on. Oh. Oh, what is he? Oh yeah, little brim. Got him out. Well, he's still a 25 centimetre fish. Louise reckons that fish I got before was probably close to the 50. I don't know. I should have put him on the measure. I don't have my brag mat. But this brim here again, he's like 30 centimetres. He's, you know, they're decent brim. Like he'd be that Queensland groper. Yeah, he was a good fish, eh? Well, I don't know. My measuring's not that good, and I don't have my brag mat with me. Come on, out of there. Yeah.
Eric's asking if we're eating him.
No.
Why
Would he
are we
be?
not eating any fish?
Because I don't like killing fish for the sake of it, Eric. He's 29 centimetres. Yeah, that's the 3rd brim for the day. And this is probably the smallest of the ones
He
we've
is
caught.
definitely the smallest by far,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah, he'd be the smallest, and he's 29. The other 2 were probably another couple, 3 or 4 centimetres bigger than this guy.
And much fatter.
Yeah, and fat, like heavy fish. So anyway, there you go. How are you, brim fish? Oh yeah, see you, buddy. Be another brim, I'd say. Louise, be.
Yeah.
See that? Heap of prawns busting up over here too. What is that? Or have I been baited? I'm going to think oh wait, oh I have not. I have a fish. Oh, this is, come on. Oh, side buddy. Gee, there's a grunter. He won't be legal, but he's probably 30 odd, but that's all right. There's a few of these start coming up. That's actually good. If we can get some bigger ones. The fish haven't been biting all day, and now it's like half an hour before dark, and we got to go. And as Murphy in his bloody law states, you know, the fishing gets good. And these grunter do the same thing. They swallow your hooks. Look at them. Now I've got to cut that and put a new hook on. Oh, come on, you spiky little bugger. Yeah, little grunter. Hook's cut off inside. You know, you just cut them off. They rust out. They've done science on it, so.
And that way they don't die.
And they don't die. Well, hopefully don't die. He's got a better chance of surviving now than he did. But yeah, they love these fish. They're great to eat when they're bigger, 40 centimetres.
Fish.
These things are the fucking scourge of like the ocean, these things. Absolute scourge. Hate the bastards. Can you release it? And because Louise caught it, she can, yeah, she can get it out and deal with it, eh, Louise? There you go.
Thanks.
It's a catfish.
Thanks.
Yeah, Louise caught a catfish.
I think you're getting some sort of bite there. I don't know if you do that.
Oh, wait, I'm on. Oh, no, I lost that. It was only small, whatever it was. Nothing. So far, the crabbing's been awful.
Don't know if you can tell due to the stabilisation that the GoPro has, but the road is so rough that we've had to go on the outside of the actual road, which also has corrugations. Nobody's using the road. There's